Hello everybody, I'm James Wendland, and today we're out at the newly restored Waterfall Trail. No formal attire required in the least. Though remember, on a hot day like this, you're going to want to bring some water with you, because you can get pretty thirsty. The trail is just about a half a mile long, and it is spectacular. You are in for a real treat today. And don't worry, you're not going to be looking at me the entire time. We're here to see nature. The first part of the Waterfall Trail, as you can see, is paved, and there's just a beautiful umbrella of trees covering the pathway. The first place we're going to come to is the Holly Tree Chapel, which was built in 1971. Just imagine what it was back in 1972 when this was your only place of worship. Some books say that there was up to 150 people filled this space every Sunday and holiday. Imagine what it was like. You look at this history and it's amazing. The humbling altar. There's nothing fancy here. This is truly a place of the Lord. When you get to the end of the main trail, it kind of tees off. You can go to the right or the left. But thankfully, after the restoration, there's a beautiful new sign leading us to the waterfall. This is one of my favorite spots, right here on the beautiful little footbridge that just mysteriously, the creek just mysteriously goes, and you wonder what's on the other side. Absolutely beautiful. This is one of my favorite stretches of path. I like the dense growth on either side. It's mysterious. Here again, the path splits two ways, but there's a sign which points us in the right direction for the waterfall. This other path is a dead end and isn't completed yet. Well, this is the final leg to the waterfall through these trees, and I hear voices, so I think we're going to have some company. This part of the trail is marvelous. You're just surrounded by all these trees, and you feel like you're out in the middle of nowhere. It's absolutely wonderful. There's nothing more marvelous than seeing the next generation out here enjoying it. Now let's zoom into that waterfall. That's what we're here for, after all.
Water mixes with the dirt, sometimes the water with dirt, doesn't it? See all the water, all the trees around it? Oh, the water goes from the roots all the way up there.
Just when you think that's it, there's yet another waterfall. And at the newly restored park, there's a new sign directing you in a direction. Now do be aware that this trail is a little tough. You have to go down just a little knoll. So if you have some mobility issues, this one will be a difficult one to reach, unfortunately. Well, apparently today I'm not the only one out enjoying the waterfall, which is nice to see.
It is beautiful, very. They're trying to catch
The nice thing about the waterfall is there's a nice bench to sit down when you get there, because I am getting tired and I need some water. Here's another wonderful spot which is off the beaten path, but it's just so beautiful. Did you know Holly Lake was founded because of its natural beauty? That's what attracted the founders to this location. Here is where we're supposed to find the healing power of Christ and brotherhood toward each other. Here the path continues down and just mysteriously goes around the bend. And today it's extra beautiful because it's really warm and there's nothing but the sound of singing birds and the cicadas. The cicadas are nearly deafening. I thoroughly enjoy this place. I'm right back where I started, and I think I know why this bench is right here. There are two ways you can leave the waterfall trail. You can either circle around from the waterfall out to the road, or you can simply backtrack from where you came in. Now, as for me, I did a little extra hiking on the side. I took the long way and followed the creek up for a while, because I just love it out here. And the Waterfall Trail is located right next to the dog park, which is across from the administration building there. But the one thing that all of us at Holly Lake Ranch have to keep in mind is that our founders chose this site especially for the natural beauty that surrounds it. I'm paraphrasing them, but they wrote something along the lines in our charter that they wanted us to experience the healing quality of God's own creation. Beautiful words to live by, and you should really get out and enjoy the wonderful wild areas that we have here at Holly Lake Ranch. I'm James Wendland for Asleep in the Tree Productions here at Holly Lake, and I thank you for watching. Bye for now. You can bet I'm hitting the lake on the way home.